Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-40C, the boiler feed Clack bypass valve. Quite a simple piece. So let's get building. Alright, so let's go start, new, part MMGS. Okay, so this part's quite easy. So front view will do, sketch, we want a half circle, we want that one, up there, around and click again, so that way 3 line up, and then have a line, thank you, from there to there, that's closed in. That's going to be circumference of, oh come on, thick, oh look, actually that's somehow, okay, exit sketch, thank you. I clicked the wrong one, that's what it was. So it's going to be 9.5 divided by 2, so 4.75, because 9.5 the whole diameter. No, it's diameter. Radius is going to be half, so there you go. Okay, so now we want to go feature, boss revolve. Oh, hold on, I made a mistake. Let me go into sketch, it's still in there, that's fine. We want this one to be a construction line, sorry. Because you don't need that closed in because it's going to be go round. So let me just show you. So boss, okay, it's going to be closed in. What? So we can do that. Okay, we learned something. Sketch. Oh no, we want that line. Hold on, let me just close it down for a minute. Highlight that line. Non-scenery feature requires a closed sketch. You'd like to sketch to be automatically closed. Yes. There we go. If you click yes, it does automatically. There we go. I click no. So yeah, so there you go. So it did it anyway. Perfect. That's what we're after. Okay, close that off. That's going to be stainless steel though, which is the wrong material. So appearance. Metal, I've lost metal, up top there. It's going to be steel, stainless steel, no, that's rough. I don't want rough. You know what, machine steel will do for now. So that's actually, what's that look like? No, I don't think it's right. One, matte steel, brush steel, poly steel, there we go, that'll do. Let's just do poly steel. Day for show anyway, so that is that part done. So it's part 3-40C, the boiler feed Clack bypass valve, done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it. Welcome new subscribers. Thank you for your support. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.